Alright guys, so what we have here is the Pelican case, Pelican product 1600 large EMS case. Alright, what I had done is I bought them separately. You can buy them all in one kit, and again I'll put them down below. If you buy this kit, what you're going to get is the case itself. And again, if you're not familiar with Pelican, Pelican makes really great products. And inside, as you can see, it has all the dividers. Let me pull this back for you. Alright, so as you can see, it has a lot of different dividers. So you can buy, like what I did, is I purchased the case itself, and then I purchased the dividers separately. You can do that as well. It's just a 1600 case. It doesn't have to be orange. You can check any one that you like. I was able to get the case on eBay for cheaper than I would whole retail, let's say for Amazon, but I'll put the links down there. What you have is a bunch of different dividers that you screw into the case. So you have your medicines, your drugs, that kind of thing. It also has a pocket in the back, and then you have another case or flap that comes down, and then you can have all your meds here. Again, it's really to each his own how you want to set this up, but it does take a little bit of work. Really, all you're looking for is the inserts if you have the case. If you want to buy it together, it's about 400 bucks. It doesn't come with any meds at all, okay? 400 bucks, no meds. Now, the way I set up my case is for a evacuation, all right? I'm leaving my house. I'm not coming back. Understand that I have a family of 4. This case is the rolling pharmacy. If you are someone that has a base camp, this works very well. There is some trauma stuff in here, but this is not for trauma, okay? I have my own trauma kit. What this is the boo-boo ouch stuff extensively. So if I had to take my whole medicine cabinet and put it in one spot, this is what I have. Now, because I have children, I have multiple things for children. Also, if you are someone, let's say, that's a diabetic, or you have medical needs, that would go in this case as extra. All right, so carry the regular stuff in your personal kit, but have this stuff as well. All right, I'm going to try to go over some of the stuff that we have here. I'll pull the camera back a little bit so you guys can see. All right, let's start with the top. On my first panel, this is the panel that you get if you purchase. This is just a case. You can keep stuff in here, but what it does is it stops everything from falling out of the pockets. You have multiple pockets up here, okay? This also comes with a strip of reflective tape. I guess if you had to open it and it was dark, you can actually see. Very basic healthcare stuff. So pain reliefs at the top, Tylenol PM, Advil PM, Bayer, antacid, Benadryl, sinus decongestion. This is Vicks cold and flu medicine, airborne vitamin C. So this is Dayquil, this is NyQuil, okay? Understand that this stuff will expire, so you will have to constantly either use it or replace it as necessary. Then, if you pull this down, I have a little bit of medical stuff. So Neosporin, boo-boo ouch stuff like Band-Aids, some steri strips, some burn gel. I also have triple antibiotic ointment, eye shield, triangular bandage, sand splints. These are the ones for the fingers in case you break a finger. These are more Band-Aids. Some of the Band-Aids will differ. Some will be gauze pads, sterile. I have 4x4s, 5x9s, and alcohol swabs. Inside here, if you can see this, let me see if I can pull it back up. I have in this pocket, I have a little bit of PPE. So I have gloves, and then I have face masks, all right? That's just a little something, and I kind of flatten it out. Again, you got to understand that you're trying to cram a lot of stuff in here, so do the best you can. This is the traveling pharmacy, and like I said, if I go to, let's say, a long road trip with my family, all this stuff is coming with, and it's in one box. I don't have to go anywhere else. So let me readjust the camera, and I'll show you what's down here. All right, so everything that you see down here, everything in the front, is mostly going to be for children. So this is they call it ulcer syringe. Basically, it's a little bulb. It sucks all the boogers and crap out of somebody's nose or ears or whatever. Children, obviously. I have a couple of cold packs. I have some gauze. Again, this is some medication. If you have somebody that needs, let's say, asthma meds, this is where you would put it. All right. Also, any type of medication that you would need for serious stuff, such as extra. Okay, so for me, if I have high blood pressure, so I have to keep extra meds in there for high blood pressure, no big deal. Children's Motrin, okay, important to have that. I have a syringe. This syringe is oral syringe, all right, no needles in there. Again, more medicine from the pharmacy, all right. Probiotics, helps the kids go to the bathroom if they're all stocked up. Some nose relief. All right, little remedies, saline, kids Tylenol, Pedialyte. This stuff, Moisture Deep. This is basically Vaseline or, you know, any type of rashes, that kind of thing. Skin care. All right, calamine lotion because kids like to get into the woods. Sunscreen. Bug spray. Eye relief, eye drops. All right, make sure you have some eye wash in there. All right, that's the first one. I also have a tourniquet in here, and the tourniquets I just kind of put in there because I couldn't find any other place for it. Let's go to the second row. This is where we get into more of the adult stuff. All right, Cold-Ease, lozenges, throat lozenges. All right, some more gauze, anti-diarrhea medicines, another tourniquet. I wanted to have that quick. This is iodine solution for cuts, body powder with the medicated. I have some more wrap. There's a lot more wrap in here. All right, so I have 2 wraps. That's going to be for any of your sprains or if you have to fix a splint. Markers. I have emergency Mylar blankets. Another triangle bandage. Inside here is a pen light. Pen light's really good, you're going to need that. Multiple rolls of tape, different types of tape. All right, just put that in there. Oral solution, this is called banana bag. What this is anytime you run out of salts, let's say you've been hiking all day, that kind of thing, you get headaches because you don't have enough salt in your system, that's what that is. In here is just a very simple kit. All right, toenails get broken off, fingernails get torn off, that kind of thing. Also have a tweezer. All right, so you have a little bit of a grooming kit in here. Not really that important, but I think when it comes to feet care, like I said, if this kit is coming with me, because my family and I like to do a lot of hikes, a lot of times you're going to run into a lot of those feet problems. Oral thermometer, just to check temperatures. I have some more gauze. This is compressed gauze. More pharmaceutical medicines. All right, these are all pharmaceutical medicines if I need it. They're all in there. Batteries. So batteries are going to be kind of important for the flashlights, and I also have in here oximeter. All right, finger pulse oximeter. Works really well. My son does have asthma problems, so I want to make sure that he is getting enough oxygen. All right, so I'll put this back in here. As we move to the back, we just have the basic big stuff. All right, so this is going to be an absorbent trauma pad if needed. I have another one in there if needed. It's 2. I also have in here alcohol. All right, so I put it in a bag so it doesn't spread anywhere. If it leaks into the bag. The idea behind that is just to have enough. I try to put them in smaller bottles. If you can find them, that's great. But I figure if this is my kit that I'm leaving with, I don't want to not have it. Okay. Simple EMT first responder pocket reference guide. Very simple. Gives you the idea of, you know, what you need to check. All right. Very easy to pack and store in there in case you need it for reference. I also have a bunch of splints, all different sizes. All right. This is the 9-inch, this is the 18, and this is the 36. So that goes in there. It's convenient for me. Quick clot. This is an MPA. If I need it, it's there. Put this back. All right. All right. This is a stapler if I needed to do it. I prefer not to do any type of surgery in the woods, but if it's there, it's there. I have it. I said NPA, quick clot. Again, I do have some surgical tools in here, all right, for sutures. All right. Again, I prefer not to do anything like that. For me, it's there if I need it. If I don't need it, it's not a big deal. I'm not humping this weight. This weight's going to go inside of a vehicle, so it'll be there if I need it. On this side, I also have trauma shears, hydrogen peroxide, as you can see. And maybe some of this is opening because I got a little bit of leakage. That's fine. I'll take care of that. This is a disposable scalpel. I'll have that in there. More than likely, I'm going to need some burn dressings. I do have a trauma dressing, all right, Israeli trauma dressing if I need it. Ace bandages are in here. More gauze. I also have more petroleum gauze, Vaseline. This is basically for fire. So again, like if I want to use that scenario where we are doing some type of fire, because most people that do camping would like it fire, I like to have these dressings available and ready to use. Okay, so that'll go in there. And then that I gotta fix. All right. Okay. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. I'll be making more, so please stay tuned. Every Sunday around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to put up a whole bunch of videos. Make sure you go to threeriverblades.com. Make sure you go to Three River Kydex if you're interested in a custom-made knife or a custom-made holster. I could do that for you. Also, check out Patreon, and make sure that you check out eBay. I'm starting to put some stuff on eBay. I'll put the links down below where you can find some of this cool stuff. I will put all the links down below to all the medicines and stuff that I already have that you can go ahead and click. And, you know, full disclosure, any of those links that you click on from Amazon, I'll make like a couple pennies or whatever it is. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, guys, please stay safe.